Hello there. You welcome back? Okay, no, fuck you. That was not for you. That was for me. Like, I needed not to shout, hello there, welcome back to my channel, because duh, you know who it is. It is the one and only Lady Jackson bringing you the heat on the Nigerian Idol, the 10th season. Now, y'all know that I didn't really bring you the pre-show, the launching, the blah, 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 all the 9 yards of the yada, yada, but I am here to bring you every episode as a day hot. Now, of course, this year we are still having to maintain our one and only host, IK, or I think it's IK Osakiodoa. I think that's his name. But yeah, the sexy tall man. Oh my God, I'm blushing. Oh, girl, you just respect yourself. But you know, if it comes to me, oh, shut up. Anyways, we also still have to maintain our judges. That is Omawumi, the powerhouse. She is stunning. She is beautiful, a wonderful voice. And she also always knows how to encourage, discourage, but make sure she does it with love and helps you understand what you're doing and what can get you to the next stage. And that is why I love her. Of course, we still have the tall, handsome, and dark and talented Richasani. He is also a judge this year. And we're expecting him to give us a full lowdown of how amazing he is. Of course, he is a star man, so if you don't have the star factor, you ain't going to get into the competition. That's just his style. Even though sometimes I kind of feel some type of way, but you know, it is what it is. Because after 10 years, after 9 years, the 10th year, you're expecting to come and do Terry Cambia rounds. Who will accept you to that stage? Not me, and of course not the judges. Now, finally, we get to miss out on our final judge, the other guy that has the body, the US citizen guy. I forgot his name. He is going to be replaced by my lady's cookery, what's that his name again? Yaya. Yes, he won the 2008 Project Fame, and since then he's been a musician, a star, and a full lowdown of everything. Now, guys, I'm not going to waste your time in this particular review. I'm going to be going through all the auditions one by one, and we're going to get right into it. So, of course, this year, the first person who was going to be auditioning is the guy who won the first ever platinum ticket that takes you to see the last stage before the live shows, and that is Mickey of last year. He got the first platinum ticket, but sadly it broke our hearts when he got kicked out around the stage. I think it was like a knockout stage or something, I cannot remember, but it is what it is, right? And so Mickey will be singing, all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Okay, let's take it to him.
Every breath that I am able, yeah, I will sing.
See, I don't know where to start from, but you see that minor notes, the minor notes this guy was hitting. God, my head won't bust. Like, he deserved the platinum tickets last year, and now the first edition of the audition of the season, and also the first platinum ticket. Mickey deserves everything, and I cannot help but pray for this guy to go as far as he possibly desires. It was amazing to watch. Damn. Anyways, next was this lady called Sunlight. I don't know. I think it's Sunlight or Sunshine is her name. She says she's been singing on TikTok, and people are saying that she does very amazing. And you know, the judges complimented her dressing, and they asked her what she was going to sing, and this was the song she was going to be singing. I think it's a song by Lauryn Hill. I heard he has a good song. I heard he had a style. And though I came to see him, to listen for a while, and there he was. Anyways, let's let the girl sing, because, you know, I don't want to do too much.
A good song. I heard he had a style.
As you guys can see, I swear I did not laugh, but Sunlight also shine. For the Lord, save me from myself. I don't know what Sunshine was doing, but that song, she destroyed it. Anyway, she got to know, and she cried and all that, but it is what it is. Next, we had this guy, I've forgotten his name. I am so sorry, my network has been acting up. He sang, he will stop for thy foot till be moved, the Lord which keepeth thee. The next was Dark Chocolate. I've seen that guy in a competition before, and he sang a song that I really didn't know. And then the last person, I think his name is I've forgotten his name, but he sang, I want you to stay. All along it was a fever. I'm going to hard-headed to deliver. See, let me just be honest. I won't lie to you guys. At the end, the three guys all got a no. There was another person who's MEJ or something. I've forgotten the song he sang. He also got a no. But the guy he looks good and he has a good voice, but then it's just not just enough.
I will not suffer thy faults. Just want you to know, without you takes me all the way to storms of cold.
And next on the list is Inda Obayi. I think that's his name. He is a teacher, and he said last time he was here, he didn't do well because of stage fright and all the 9 yards. But now he's going to be singing I'll keep on falling in a lot of love with you. Sometimes I love you. Sometimes you make me blue. Okay, the next was Eric. He is from Rivers State. He said that his family will support him in anything he does. And of course, it was nice to hear that Richasani is his namesake. And this guy sang a song from The Lion King that I really don't know. But honestly, these two guys did not do well, not in the least. I mean, they had to encourage Ida Obayi to go back to teaching, and then Eric was told that this is not what is for him. He should continue his writing. I mean, this guy was so proud enough to even tell them when he was being interviewed outside the stage, behind the scenes, that, you know what, he doesn't want to really say what he wants to say, because how would they be telling him things like that? Wow.
Can you feel the love tonight?
And the next person is Ella Centric. She was here since 7 and 8. And the song she's singing is Because He Leaves, I Can Face Tomorrow. Because He Leaves. Her voice was really beautiful. I really loved it. Next is, his name is Mechi. He sang, I did that, baby, I did it, and now yes. I don't know the lyrics to that song, honestly. He sang well. I like the tonality of his voice, honestly. I cannot lie. Next is this girl, Abibola, who said, she sang, no one can get in the way of what I'm feeling. Last on this particular session was what's her name? Angel sang a song that I really do not know, and I will not lie, her voice is really beautiful to like this set of people, or like the other set who were quite funny and they got no's. These ones, they got yeses, and it was literally beautiful to see.
Just wanna tell you I am.
Keep talking, they can say what they. No more pain, no more.
Next on the list is Michelle. She's from the UK. Yeah, she's from the UK. She came to visit Nigeria because she loves to do business. And she came for the Nigerian Idol. Now, of course, she was going to be singing, I heard there was a secret chord the day we played, and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do you? And yeah, she did what she did. Next we had Boy Glory. He said he's a rapper and a little bit of a singer. His rapping was okay, but it was quite mid. Yeah, he tried to sing after Inyanya advised him to freestyle, and it was bad. And then next was Reno Senior, who sang a song that I kind of have heard, but I'm not so familiar with. And sorry, from this guy's vibe and the way he talks, I didn't expect him to sing this good. It was so good that I was blown, and I was really glad to have heard it. But then, amongst these three, only Reno Senior went through. Michelle was very bad. Like, her talking voice, I wish I could switch it with her singing voice. Like, let her talking voice be her singing, and her singing be her talking voice, because it would have made sense. It would have been good. She sounded like a primary school student.
A secret chord that David.
Freedom, never thought that I'ma be in the middle of this one. I'm seeing King. You think you broke my heart, girl, for good now.
Again, I'm not going to waste your time. So next was Rosella. She sang Beyonce's Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start. And this girl literally started on the bridge. And honestly, I was like, girl. She did well. And then, of course, there was Joel. He sang a song that I think is a gospel song, but I really do not know the lyrics. He tried because, like, he was almost going to be out of it. Yeah. Next was the guy called Ucheka. He sang, I think, Asha's Mr. Jailer, I'm talking to you, Jailer. Stop calling me a prisoner. And finally, on this particular session is Lad. Lad sang, no one can get in the way of what I'm feeling. And I must say this, every particular person in this particular session got a yes and got a golden ticket. And it just means that they're going to the next stage. And I really hope they bring it. I mean, when I say bring it, they will bring fire.
The time has come for my dreams to be heard. The
Foundation. I can't wait to hear you on the. I'm talking to you, jailer. Don't worry, cause everything's gonna be alright.
Next is another session, and this guy Savitiji started it. Now I remember this guy from last year. He was singing mostly original songs, and that was the same thing he did today with his wingman, who is always his guitarist beside him, and it was interesting, really. Next was Dami. Dami is somebody I've seen a lot online. He is close friends with the guy who won Nigerian. The Voice Nigeria. That guy has this tiny pitchy voice. So Dami sang never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing. Anyways, next was Quendon. Quendon wasn't in a competition that I've seen, but the song he auditioned, I really do not know it. But it was really nice too. And the next was Uche Harmony. Uche Harmony sang why should I feel this courage when Jesus is my portion? Eyes on the Sparrow. I can remember Lauryn Hill on the movie. Yeah, the movie. He was crying at a point. It turns out the day of the audition was his dad's remembrance. His dad is late, and he got a golden ticket. Of course, it was given to his mother. Quendon got a golden ticket. Dami got a golden ticket. Savi TG also got a golden ticket. They all deserved it, and I hope they will put in more energy into their next performances.
Pills for recovery. My brother life shot me sheet. I wish nothing but the best. Be hurt inside out of my head as I open up my mouth and why should my heart?
All right, so next is D-Wave King, and I think he's a rapper, singer. He sang a song or rapped a song that I really do not really understand. He looks good. He looks like an artist, but it didn't really come through for me. Next was Red Petra. She was looking quite, pretty and cute and all lovey-dovey. And then, of course, she sang a song that I also do not know. And she did what she could do her best. But then it was somehow too. And last but not the least in today's audition was Christopher, who sang 2 gospel songs that were meshed up. Or maybe I don't know if it's meshed up or not. But of course, it was that rain came, wind blew, my heart rested on you, I'm safe with you, waiting happen. And to be honest, his voice is so sultry. It's just beautiful. It's so soothing. And I'm like, I'm crushing. Either ways, he got the final golden ticket of today's audition, but D-Wave King and Red Petra all got no's. Red Petra was crying at a point because, of course, it's just what it is.
All my imperfections and my insecurities.
the start. Can't pretend that I was in the dark.
So rain came and wind blew, but
And that is all we have for you on the final audition of the night. Of course, this is Nigerian Idol season 10, episode 1, and it was really good to see. We had enough golden tickets. I think 1 or 2 platinum tickets. Oh, there was this lady. I know I didn't see her audition. Like, my network went blank, and I'm really sorry about that. But I think she also got a platinum ticket. I really do not know. I'm not sure. But either ways, guys, I'm going to still bring you full lowdown on the episode 2 and down to the end of the show. So do not forget to subscribe, click on the bell to miss out a notification, and in every post I make, don't forget to share, comments down below, and also share this video because duh.